Welcome to another video for Agent Arcade, where we are democratizing AI, empowering individuals to benefit from the AI revolution. Today, we are going to build an agent using the Toolhouse platform, using our newly released Toolhouse driver. Let's get right into it. So in Toolhouse, it's Toolhouse AI. They provide a platform where it's very easy to build agentic flows using a wide variety of really cool tools. But the one we're doing today is a super simple surf report agent. I'll show you the prompt here. You can go check out app.toolhouse.ai or just toolhouse.ai and get an account and try out their Agent Studio. But this is a very simple agent where my prompt is just basically saying, get the user a surf report. There's two important things in here. The Agent Studio should have a message variable, and it can optionally have a current date variable. Both the message and the current date will always be sent up by Agent Arcade. So we've got our nice chat here. We also need to grab this right here, the chat ID, and that's how we'll tie this into Agent Arcade. So we need all the other things that go along with this. We need a good logo. So we'll go have Flux generate us a logo. Generate a logo for a surf report AI agent. Not even AI agent. Good enough. Grab that. Go over DeepSeek. Go generate our Surf Sage. Okay, great. All right, so let's go build our agent. We'll add our agent description in there. Surf Sage, sure. All right, so we're going to put a description, a name. Intro text is shown to the user when they first use the application or use the agent. So it's good to prompt the user for what you're looking for there. API key, let me copy that in. That would be your Toolhouse API key. Protocol, we are going to pick Toolhouse agent. It's going to be free for now. Endpoint in here is going to be the Toolhouse API endpoint. No headers. The extra data we're going to put in here is a little JSON that has the chat ID in it. So that's the chat ID that we got over here at Toolhouse. We'll go grab our logo. And we'll create that. All right. So now we should have Surf Sage. Great, we can view him. There's our nice description, and we'll hire him. Great. So I'm going to go surfing this afternoon. So I need to get the surf report for San Diego, California. Yes. Yep. I don't want to get more specific than that. Actually, for Pacific Beach, that's my neighborhood. Type it right. All right, and it'll go and talk to the Toolhouse API, talk to that agent I created there in Toolhouse, and get me an answer. So in the background, it's doing a bunch of web searches, pulling down a bunch of surf reports from a bunch of different sources on the internet, and then providing me my surf report. Great, that's about what I saw when I looked it up myself. 2 to 4 feet, light wind. Great, so it's great for various skill levels, and then it has links to all those resources. So yeah, that was building a Toolhouse AI based AI agent in Agent Arcade and offering it for users to go use. To find out more about Agent Arcade, visit us at agentarcade.net, and there's a link there to the Discord, and go ahead and join the Discord. Thanks for checking us out.